Have you ever been talking to someone and suddenly they take one step backward? You start wondering, was it something I said? Maybe not. Maybe your breath just joined the conversation. But don't panic. Bad breath is extremely common, and there are simple things you can do to improve it. Today, we're talking about why bad breath happens, how to get rid of it, and how to stop it from coming back. And trust me, you might be making one of these mistakes without even realizing it. 1. Clean your tongue. Let's start with something many people forget. Your tongue. Your tongue can collect bacteria, food particles, and dead cells, especially toward the back. These bacteria can produce unpleasant-smelling compounds that contribute to bad breath. So even if you're brushing your teeth every morning and night, ignoring your tongue could still leave you with funky breath. Use a tongue scraper or gently brush your tongue once a day. But don't attack your tongue like you're trying to remove wallpaper. Gentle is enough. 2. Brush your teeth properly. Of course, you need to brush your teeth, but here's the question. Are you actually brushing properly? Brush twice a day for about 2 minutes each time with fluoride toothpaste. Clean the front, back, and chewing surfaces of your teeth and pay attention to your gum line. And please don't brush like your toothbrush owes you money. Too much pressure can irritate your gums. 3. Floss or clean between your teeth. Here's where many people suddenly disappear. Do you floss? I brush my teeth. That's not the question. Your toothbrush can't properly reach every space between your teeth. Food and plaque can get trapped there, giving bacteria plenty to feed on. So clean between your teeth once a day using floss or an appropriate interdental cleaner. And if your gums regularly bleed, swell, or hurt, don't simply ignore it. That can be a sign that your gums need attention. 4. Drink more water. Your saliva is one of your mouth's natural cleaning systems. It helps wash away food particles and bacteria. But when your mouth becomes dry, bad breath can become worse. Dehydration, sleeping with your mouth open, smoking, certain medications, and some medical conditions can contribute to dry mouth. So drink water regularly throughout the day. And if your mouth constantly feels dry, even when you're drinking enough water, talk to a dentist or healthcare professional. 5. Watch the sugar. I'm not going to tell you to break up with chocolate. I know that's a toxic relationship you're not ready to leave. But constantly eating sugary foods and drinking sugary drinks can contribute to plaque and tooth decay. And cavities and gum problems can contribute to bad breath. So enjoy your treats, but don't let sugar become the main character in your diet. Keep sugary foods and drinks in moderation and maintain good oral hygiene. 6. Stop using mints to hide the problem. Here's a common strategy. Bad breath, mint. Still smells? Another mint. Still there? At this point, you're basically sponsored by the mint industry. Mints and mouthwash can temporarily freshen your breath, but they don't necessarily fix the reason it's happening. Mouthwash can be an extra part of your routine, but it shouldn't replace brushing and cleaning between your teeth. If your breath keeps coming back, find the cause instead of constantly covering it up. 7. Don't ignore your gums. If your gums regularly bleed when you brush or floss, or they're swollen, painful, or tender, pay attention. Gum problems can contribute to persistent bad breath. So instead of buying your 10th bottle of mouthwash, book a dental checkup. Your gums might be trying to tell you something. 8. Watch out for persistent bad breath. Now here's the important part. If you've improved your oral hygiene, but your bad breath doesn't go away or keeps coming back, don't just keep chewing gum. Persistent bad breath can sometimes be associated with gum disease, cavities, dry mouth, tonsil, or sinus problems, reflux, or other health issues. A dentist can examine your mouth and help identify the cause. And if the cause isn't coming from your mouth, they may recommend seeing another healthcare professional. So here's your daily checklist. Morning. Brush for 2 minutes and clean your tongue. During the day, drink water regularly and avoid constantly snacking on sugary foods and drinks. At night, brush again and clean between your teeth. And if you use dentures, retainers, aligners, or a mouthguard, Clean them properly according to their instructions. So remember, clean your tongue, brush twice a day, clean between your teeth, stay hydrated, watch your sugar, and don't ignore persistent bad breath or gum problems.